Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the circle graph. Practice 2. A to Z school offers 4 special activities for students. The number of children in class 4A who joined the different activities is as shown. Dance 5, Music 20, Robotics 10, Art and Craft 5. Draw a circle graph based on the above data. Draw it in a pencil. I'm drawing in pen, okay? Make one circle. Okay. This is the center of the circle. Music 20, so music is the highest, so we put music here. Next, robotics. Next, divide this. Dance, art and craft. Understood? Next, draw the number of children in class 4B who used different modes of transport for coming to school is shown in the circle graph. Answer these questions based on the graph. What fraction of children walk to school? 1/8. So 1/8 how? 1, 2. If we divide this, 3, 4. We divide 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 1/8. How do most children come to school? School bus. If the total number of children in the class is 48, how many use the school bus? Do this, 48 divided by 8. Okay. How many use their own vehicle? So 8 into 6, 48. Okay. Each one can 6. Okay. Walk to school. 6. Use a bicycle. How many use a bicycle? 12. Okay. Next, the number of students who like different colors is as follows. Yellow 6. You have to color this. So highest is green, 18. So this is green. White 4. Yellow 6. Blue 8. Okay. Understood? For this we finished our 14th lesson, data handling. These worksheets answer will be uploaded in my WhatsApp channel. Please check it out. The channel is in my description. Okay. And for this we finished our 4th standard maths. Tomorrow onwards we will start 5th standard, same textbook, Orient Black Swans, Neptune, Maths 5. Okay, same, this is same picture, same textbook, but number is changed, that is 5. Same textbook, Neptune Maths 5th standard. Okay, thank you.